In this lesson, you are going to learn how to say how well I'm doing a hobby. So, how well, including asking people how well they play something, okay, and also reply to the question of people asking how well on their on doing their hobbies. All right. So keep that in mind. We are learning how to say how well. Okay. So let's start with the vocab here. The first vocabulary is the. The. This the pronunciation of this the is same as the possession the, but it's a different character. All right. So this character is using for like an adverb to combine with a verb that become an adverb to describe something. The verb that is how well. Okay, so remember this the, we're gonna use this the to combine with a verb. And next vocab is kuai. K-U-A-I. Kuai means fast. It's an adjective. Kuai. Kuai. Alright? And next one is opposite of kuai, man. M-A-N, pronounced man. Slow. Man. Slow. Alright, next one is a phrase to say how well. 怎么样?怎么样? How about it? Or how well? 怎么样?怎么样? Alright, 么 just like 什么? Remember 什么 or 为什么? 什么 is what, 为什么 is why. And 样, if you recall, 一样, 一样, right? 不一样. 一样 means the same. 不一样 means different. That's the same character, 一样. Okay? So, this is new. 怎么? 怎么 actually we know that as how, right? How? 怎么? 你怎么去学校? 你怎么去学校? How do you get to school? Here, 怎么样? Just a 样 after that become how well, how things going, okay? So, 怎么样? 怎么样? So I want you to learn that as a phrase, okay? 3 characters together as a new phrase. How was it? 怎么样? 怎么样? Alright, so if we have those 3 now, let's move on to the sentence pattern. So how do you say, for example, how well, this example here is how well, oh no, I'm sorry, it's not how well, it's is he good at basketball, or does he play well at basketball? Okay, so let's start with how do you say play well. So play basketball, 打篮球 right here, right? And then very well. It is kind of a little bit complicated to describe, because in Chinese, very well is not like English. You just say very well for everything. In this case, very well, you have a few steps, okay? The first step is depends on what verb in the sentence. The sentence here, 打 is a verb, play, 打 basketball, 篮球, 打篮球, 打 is a verb. So you want to say play basketball very well. You say repeat the verb again and put the, remember that the, right, from the vocab. I say you're gonna add a verb after the, right? And that will make it become an adjective, saying very well. So here you have 打, repeat the verb, 打, play, and then add a the after 打, and then say well. How means good. So play well, play well. So 他打篮球 repeat 打的好 play well. And it's a yes no question, right? So add a ma, that become does he play basketball very well? So 嘛 in this case, at the end of sentence become a question statement. Is he or does he play basketball very well? 打得好. So keep this in mind. This is different from English. Not just say very well, but you have to repeat the word one more time. Okay. So if you want to answer yes, right? Play very well. Just repeat the sentence. 他打篮球打得很好，很好. Very good. Play very well. So see, basically you say play twice. He played basketball, play very well. So 他打篮球打得很好，打得很好. That is yes. If you want to say negative, not very well, 打得不好. Right here, change 很 to 不. That become not well. So 他打篮球打得不好, play not well, 打得不好. That's how you answer as negative way, okay? So same thing that's applied to 游泳, swimming, 游泳. So in this case, the example is how well he swim. How well he swim. So English is shorter this time, but Chinese you have to say 他游泳, repeat the verb 游的 and then how well 怎么样怎么样 see? So 他游泳游的 repeat 怎么样 and if you want to say he swam fast 他游的 right here, right? Swam 很快 fast. Or you want to say 他游得很慢 slow, right? Slow. So it depends. This is something that you have to remember is repeat the verb one more time and plus the adverb to describe the verb. So swim fast, 游得很快，游得很慢 okay? So just read the language focus here and read more examples. 你游得快吗？你游得快吗？ Right here, you swim fast. 你游得快不快 is the same thing, right? 快吗 equals to 快不快. So there's two ways to ask yes no question. One is 快吗 and ma. One is fast or not fast. 快不快 and there's no ma. Or you can ask 你游得怎么样？怎么样 means how well. So how well is not yes no question. You're gonna answer 游得很快，游得好，游得不好，游得很慢. So it's an open question now. It's not a yes no question. But 游得快吗 it's yes no. If you want to say 游得快 you say 对，游得快，游得快不快？不对，游得不快 or 游得不快 something like that, okay? Alright, and if you feel comfortable, you can move on to next page, alright? Alright.